How to add any user on Reddit to custom feed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Reddit on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, open the post and further tap on the user you want to add to your custom feed. Once you have opened the profile of the user you want to add to your custom feed, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and further tap on the Add to Custom Feed option in the menu that appears. Now, in the pop-up that appears, select the custom feed you want to add the user in. So, this is how you can add any user on Reddit custom feed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.